Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's one of my favorite days of the month. It's time for the Bargain Bead Box for June. Solstice Warmth. Your beads, summer-ready tones of orange, cream, and red blend with high-quality golden findings in this month's collection. Warm gemstones are our focus this month with carnelian, sardonyx, and druzy agate beads, crackle agate drops, and a carnelian teardrop pen. Accents include freshwater pearl links, sparkling crystal, colorful glass, and fun resin druzy pendant. Simple but high-end findings include hypoallergenic stainless steel and 18-karat gold plated copper and brass. And then you'll also get a 30% off coupon if you subscribe to the box. If you're thinking about subscribing, you can save $2 on your first box by using the coupon code Turquoise, and use the link in my description of this video, and that's an affiliate link, so that helps the channel. I'm gonna get everything together and we'll take a look. Okay, so this month I noticed there are only 17 items. Some months we get up to 22, so that's surprising. And they say the approximate total retail value for the shipment is $71. I think that's highly open to interpretation. So a lot of people said, oh, I can't wait to see what you say about this box. So far from what I'm seeing, it's really pretty. But I think we all know I'm going to have an issue that the first 3 items are findings. So I guess they're saying these are 18-karat gold plated brass springs. I don't know too many jewelry designers who use this type of clasp. I don't, mainly because it's really not user-friendly for people who might have accessibility issues. So these are just harder to use for people who have arthritis. They're harder to use for people who have hand pain and maybe just don't have as much dexterity. I do think they're pretty. They're 18-karat gold. They're not like macaroni and cheese yellow. I just wonder what the thought process is behind including clasps that are probably some of the least popular type of clasp. Again, we have some ear findings. These are stainless steel fish hook ear wires. This is hypoallergenic. At least they're hypoallergenic. They're cute, but I think my question is, why are we moving towards more findings than beads in a bead box? Yes, there are lots of beads in here, and there are more beads than findings, but why? It's called Bargain Bead Box, not Bargain Finding Box. And then we have 30 18-karat gold stainless steel jump rings. Again, they're very nice. They're not just cheapo jump rings that you get every month. They're not that macaroni and cheese gold. And I would rather have these than some of the ones we've gotten. But I think the question again is, why waste the money on these when we can have another item or bead, you know? So just my 2 cents. If you don't like it, that's fine. Number 4, really pretty 10-piece freshwater pearl and stainless steel links. Hypoallergenic. It says hypoallergenic 304 grade stainless steel. I don't know what 304 grade is, but these are really pretty. I very much like these. They're gorgeous. Good job. And I like that they already have the links, but if we look at these, the sides are not even. So if that doesn't bother you, that's great. I don't know that it bothers me. I'm just saying that they're not even. I don't know that I would make a project like that if I could help it. Number 5, 15-inch strand of 8mm round glass beads, alabaster magma. These are cool. I love saying the word magma. It reminds me of Austin Powers. These are really pretty. Definitely feeling the summer vibes. Definitely feeling the heat. I love them. They're very cool. I like those a lot. They're making me want to make a bracelet. They're also making me hot. It is it was supposed to be 114 today. When I went to the store, it was 108. It was hot. Reminds me of these beads. Number 8, 15-inch strand, 6mm carnelian round beads, dyed and heated. Ooh, it's a 15-inch strand. That's great. I like Carnelian. I think these are really nice. They're very even tone, although you can see some banded striations throughout them. Beautiful. And actually, they go, I'm getting ideas because I just made a bracelet. I made a bracelet set using another bead box this month, and I'm actually wearing them. Guess who's gonna make a necklace to match using these? These are wonderful. I really love them. So far, with the exception of the 3 issues at the beginning, I'm really liking this box. 50 piece, number 6. 50 piece, 5.5 millimeter gold finished pewter daisy spacers, lead free, cadmium free. Very pretty. You know I'll use those. I love daisy spacers. I love spacers. So I'll definitely use those. Number 7, 20 piece, 9 by 7 millimeter half matte glass cylinder beads, apricot shimmer. Love those. We've gotten these before, but not in this shape. Like, they've always been round, and I just love that we get a new shape. Those are so pretty. Now I want to do something with those, but I don't know what. I only have 2 arms. I don't know why I keep making myself bracelets. Y'all should see. I mean, I don't even know how many bracelets I have. There are some in just bags from, remember I did like the 100-day bracelet challenge? Never finished that, but I have like 70 or 80 bracelets just hanging out that I don't ever wear because I forgot that I made them. So I gotta go dig those out somewhere. These are pretty. This is number 9, 20 piece strand of 8 by 6 millimeter faceted crystal fancy Rondelle beads, bisque. Gorgeous. Those are really pretty. I love those. I want more of those. I want more of these. And I think we got enough of those. I don't need more, but I say need. Number 10, 1 meter of a 3 by 2 millimeter stainless steel jewelry chain. And this is hypoallergenic. Very nice. Tiny. I like it. I like tiny chains. Sometimes it really comes in handy. Number 11. Where's number 11? Number 11, we have a 2-piece 19 by 5 by, or 19.5 by 17 millimeter, 18 karat gold-plated brass chandelier findings. My goodness, that's a mouthful. These are cool. I like them. They're dainty. They look very, like, tribal. I love these. These are really cool. Maybe I'll use them. I don't know. I was going to do earrings, but that would be a cute necklace connector, too. I really like those. They're not like the typical gold that we get from Bargain Bead Box. Number 12, approximately 8-inch strand of 8 millimeter sardonyx round beads. They're dyed. I don't know that I have any other sardonyx, and I hope that's how you say it. These are great. They look like banded agate, which is on my arm right now. Very cool. I like those. I like gemstones, though. Very nice. I like how they have some pink in them. Number 13, approximately 7.5-inch strand of 10 millimeter matte electroplated druzy agate beads. Ooh, these are really nice. They have a nice peachy undertone to them. I don't know if that's being picked up by the camera, but I love, oh, look at the little sparkly guy. These are really nice. I really would like a bracelet with this. And I'm thinking with, I have off to my side some crystal quartz, like a big crystal quartz in the middle. That's always my go-to to like show off beads. Put a big crystal quartz in the middle. These two together are really pretty. These two together. I'm liking this box. It's definitely like, you know, that's a good box when you're starting to get ideas immediately and like you can't filter them all. So I like this. I like this a lot. Number 14, a 2-piece 18 to 21 millimeter agate dyed and heat treated, and 18 karat gold plated copper drops. All right, so the copper, the wire on here is 18 karat plated copper. And then these are agate. Very cool. I don't think I'd use these together because they're not the same size and they're not the same color, but they're pretty. I think they, well, you know what? I could use them on 2 different bracelets, but they're very pretty. I honestly would probably, depends on how I feel, I might take off the wire and do something else with it because it's a little loose. I mean, it's a nice try. And if you don't know how to wire wrap or just aren't interested in wire wrapping, having it already done for you is nice. Number 15 is a 51 by 23 millimeter resin druzy style geode slice pendant warm peach. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, so this is the front. I almost wish I could like figure out how to do an AB finish. I know I gotta look into that. There's gotta be a way to do it. Because I would like to give it like just a hint of AB on here. Or Aurora Borealis. And if you don't know what Aurora Borealis is, it's just iridescence. I would like to give it some iridescence. If y'all know how to get that or know of a finish that I can get and just maybe paint it on, you'll get some brownie points. So I really like that. Now I'm going to be searching for stuff after this video. Number 16. Oh my gosh. It's not bicones. It's not bicones. It's 12-inch strand, 4 millimeter crystal faceted round beads, lavender AB. These are so pretty. And they're not bicones. They're so gorgeous. I love these. This would be a really, okay, so if we're thinking a necklace, I would use this. Maybe these. Where did that pendant go? I just had it. This, after I hit it with some iridescence. Love it. I wish I knew how to hang that in the middle. That'd be cool. Well, I guess if you want to see me make this necklace, give me a comment below because I really like it. Oh, that's pretty too. I'm really liking this box. It's probably one of my favorites this year so far. And then last but not least, number 17 is approximately 30 by 24 millimeter carnelian teardrop pendant, dyed and heat treated. So this one, it's not bad. And I'm guessing others got different looking pendants because it's really hard to make carnelian uniform. I don't think it really fits with the others just the way this one looks. I'm sure that there are other ones out there that are more along these color lines. I like it. I love carnelian. I'm going to use it someday, but I don't think I would use it with this box. Overall, I had one issue, and it was the issue that we've come to see every box, which I just don't think these should be an item. Maybe just include them, but or not. But I don't think findings should be an item in a bead box unless they're really special. And these are they're gold plated. And again, these are not very user friendly, but the rest made up for it. I really love these. I really liked everything else. And that's not something I usually say, so kudos to Bargain Bead Box. There are so many things I want to make with this. I just gotta like kind of ruminate and marinate, and yeah, I'm loving this. I want to make something that matches my bracelets, so I will be digging in my turquoise check glass and figuring something out. I actually really like how the pearls look with the carnelian. Like I said, I really loved these items together. I'm gonna figure out how I can get this to have an AB finish. It's gotta be easy to find out. I'm loving this again. Everything gorgeous. What was your favorite item? What would you like to see me make? How was your day today? Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And if you want to save $2 on your first Bargain Bead Box, you can use coupon turquoise at the link in my description. And again, that's an affiliate link and it helps the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Have a good day.